a caramel rice cake. Caramel rice cake. Caramel. I imagine it. Jan, how is it? Does that count? Caramel rice milk. I think that one is, you know, like it's grinded. Hi Tony, welcome Tony. God bless you. From where are you, Tony? Hi Sir Sonji, welcome back sir. Good eve po, good eve. God bless. What do you do there now? Yes, I'm working here. Fabio, I'm working here in Bahrain. Arthur can do that to you, Kara. Oh, oh, sorry. By the way, Arthur, he's shared with me the tutorial about that Telegram. Kara, if you want to sleep, it's okay, my darling. You can go back to sleep. Tampa, Florida. Thank you so much, Tony. Welcome. Please like and subscribe. I'm not in the mood. Oh, then tell us, Kara, which one you preferred. I'm working here, guys, in Bahrain. I'm working in Bahrain. Thank you so much. God bless you all. I just subscribed to your pretty lady. Thank you so much, Tony. Thank you, thank you. God bless. So, Tony from Tampa, Florida. By the way, Tony, Boo is also from US, but John is yeah, John and Boo, they are also both from US. Do you like celery? Yes, I like celery. You know that celery is really good. We can make juice with the celery, apple, and carrots, and it will be good for the heart. Welcome back, Mars. Welcome back. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kara. Where Zakir Khan? Not all. It depends to your work. And it depends to your position. It's not sleep. I just Are you in love, Kara? Is my daughter now in love? That's why your heart? Oh my goodness, I don't know how to contact with you. Zakir Khan. Or Kira, you know, you can find my email address in my profile here in YouTube. Or otherwise, visit one of my video and then you can find my email address there. One of my video, check the description. Check the description and you will see my email address there and send me message there. Do you have hairs on your legs? Just joke, friend. Okay, Zakir Khan. For some reason, they used to take celery and put peanut butter on it. Celery with peanut butter? I'd never experienced that, Jan. Jaker Hosan Shorts, hello, welcome, thank you so much. No, it is not that. Okay, Kira, hope you will be okay. Hope everything will be okay soon. TRRFJ, hello, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, guys. No email, Jan. Wait, I will take my other mobile. I will show you. Thank you, Zakir Khan. Thank you so much. God bless.